Looking for a reliable, fuel-saving family car? Meet the Toyota Sienta 2016, a compact MPV perfect for Tanzania. The Sienta features a modern, rounded design. Small enough for city streets, yet spacious for your family. Sliding doors make getting in and out easy, ideal for daily tasks and school runs. Built with Toyota's trusted quality, ready for African roads. Inside, comfort meets smart design. Seats up to 7 or fold rear seats for more cargo space. Touchscreen navigation, rear camera, and smart key included. Perfect for city drives or longer trips. The Sienta is fuel efficient and easy to maintain. Simple and affordable upkeep. Easy to drive, easy to park, easy to own. Reliable, economical, and family-friendly, the Toyota Sienta is perfect for families, business owners, or anyone seeking a smart ride in Tanzania.
Please, looking forward you to get car from WEINS Toyota Export, and please, for more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.